Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In our last video, we showed you how to disable all notification and sounds from a single chat in Messenger. Today, we'll be showing you how to enable them back. Sometimes, you may miss out on important conversations if you have disabled notifications and sounds. In this video, we'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to enable all notification and sounds from a single chat in Messenger. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open Messenger. The first step is to open the Messenger app on your mobile device. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Go to a certain chat. Next, go to the chat from which you want to enable the notifications and sounds. It can be a group chat or a one-on-one conversation. Once you are in the chat, tap on the name of the person or group. Step 3. Tap on Notification and Sounds in the More Actions section. You'll see an option that says Notification and Sounds. Tap on it. Step 4. Tap on Off. Now you'll see that the toggle button says Off. Tap on it to turn it back on. That's it. Enabling all notification and sounds from a single chat in Messenger is a simple process that can be done in just a few steps. Remember, if you want to disable the notifications and sounds again, you can follow the same steps and toggle the button back to off. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Enabling notifications and sounds in Messenger is important to stay up to date with conversations happening in your chats. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn them back on and not miss out on any important messages. So the next time you need to enable notifications and sounds from a single chat, just follow our step-by-step guide. We hope this video was informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. We'd love to hear from you.